So this is my 3-horse Briggs and Stratton. Unknown year. The Shroud is 1975, but I brought that off another motor because this one didn't come with one. It's going on a Taco style minibike. As you can see, we've custom made the frame. We've got the forks over there as well. And what we've done to it, I just stripped it down. It's an old rotary hoe motor, and it's quite low hours. It doesn't smoke much at all. We hooked up a 5-horse Raptor throttle kit, and that works perfectly. As you can hear, it revs very high. I probably shouldn't rev it that high all the time, which it won't because it's got a clutch on the end. But nearly there. I made a header pipe. It's got a 1/2-inch water pipe inside that comes up to about there, and then I just slipped this towel rail over it, so that gives it a chrome look, and it sounds incredible. It's got the 4 bolt holes for a clutch cover, 3/4 shaft. I need to thread the end. I've got a 6mm kit for that, and it's got an NGK plug. I find that they're better than the Champions, but some may argue, doesn't matter. So yeah, actually I custom made this air cleaner out of a sink drain cover thing, and the bottom of the air cleaner, the inside part of the original air cleaner, there's just a bit of sponge inside, and that seems to work reasonably well, and it looks incredible. So I'm happy with it. I just got to get the decals for it and fix paint on the tank. It always leaks there. I got to find a solution for that. It always leaks out paint there, and it's a real pain. It's got a new jet in it. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Catch you later.